Youth volunteers of Hill State Movement under the banner of Nonviolent Direct Action (NVDA) were felicitated during a program in the city on Monday. It is pertinent to note that NVDA, which was formed on March 31, 1963, comprised of youths who were directly involved in the Hill State Movement. The family of late Eric Bremley Lingdo, who was also one of the leaders of the Hill State Movement, with the support of Chief Minister's Office, Folk Fusion Band, Somersault and Meghalaya Model United Nations, felicitated the NVDA volunteers such as Maulong, Sharai Nongbri, Trueman Lingdo and Augustine Marbanyang in the presence of Chief Electoral Officer Frederick R. Karkungor. This program was organized as part of the 50th Statehood Day celebration and to observe the 77th anniversary of the United Nations on the theme Non-Violence and Food Security.
Come forward. We as citizens of the state, we have many organizations here, we have many leaders from across the spectrum. Probably we need to think on what is the right balance, what is the effective balance, so that yes, we need development, but at the same time not at the cost of environment, not at the cost of dilution of our culture. So we need to have that effective balance.
The movement along the National Highway 6